Video we'll see the multiple choice questions of square wave polarizography along with their answers. The first question is, analysis is the fastest in differential pulse polarizography, classical polarizography, square wave polarizography, cyclic voltammetry. And the answer to this is square wave polarizography, because the analysis in square wave polarizography can be done in one drop of mercury, so which is hardly 5 seconds. Second question, along with the DME, the following electrode can also be used in square wave polarizography: platinum, gold, carbon, hanging mercury drop. Well, in this case, the hanging mercury drop also can be used along with DME. Instead of DME, you can use hanging mercury drop. So the fourth one is the answer. The basic excitation signal in square wave polarizography is a dash, a pulse, a staircase, a linear signal, a staircase signal, or a triangular signal. Now, in this case, in square wave polarizography, the basic signal is staircase. On that, a pulse is superimposed. In DPP, the basic signal is linear, on which a pulse is imposed. So that's the difference between DPP and square wave polarizography. In DPP, linear signal is a basic signal on which a pulse is imposed, whereas in the case of square wave, basic signal is staircase signal, and on that a pulse is imposed. So the correct answer is 2. The period of each step of staircase signal is denoted by, choices are tau, alpha, delta, gamma. The answer is tau. Drop time of mercury used in square wave polarizography is short, long, very short, or 0. And the answer is long, because in the case of square wave polarizography, usually a drop time of 5 to 7 seconds is used. If the pulse frequency is 200 Hz and a 2 volt scan, if the pulse frequency is 200 Hz, a 2 volt scan in square wave polarizography will require dash seconds if each step is of 10 millivolts. Now the step is of 10 millivolts. Total distance covered is 2 volts. 2 volts is nothing but 2000 millivolts. 2000 millivolts, if you divide by 10, you'll get 200 steps. So 200 steps you have to do. You have to take in that pulse in that square wave polarizographic analysis. Now the frequency is 200 Hz. 200 Hz means there will be 200 steps per second. So so the answer for this will be 1 second, because you have to cover 200 steps. 2 volt is 2000 millivolt. 2000 divided by 10, because each step is of 10 millivolt. So total 200 steps are required, and the frequency is 200 Hz. So if the frequency is 200 Hz per second, 200 steps will require 1 second. So the answer to this is 1 second. The second one is the answer. The choices are 0.5, 1, 2, and 5. The correct answer is 1 second. If you had a 1 volt scan, then you would have required half a second. Detection limits for square wave polarizography are 10 is to minus 2 moles, 10 is to minus 4 moles, 10 is to minus 6 moles, 10 is to minus 8 m. Answer is 10 is to minus 8 m. Square wave polarizography can be used as a detector for supercritical fluid chromatography, HPLC, GC, ion chromatography. The correct answer is HPLC. Correct answer is HPLC. Thank you.